Today I'm making fruit cake. First I need to preheat my oven to 180 degrees Celsius. I will zest lemon. I've got small lemons. I will zest 2 of them. Zest I will put in a brandy. I've got 1 tablespoon of brandy. Let's start with dry ingredients. Flour 280 grams, pinch of salt, two teaspoons of baking powder, mix well together. Camera. In a bowl, 100 grams of soft butter, 150 grams of sugar, I will beat until mixture nice and pale. Two eggs, one by one. Vanilla extract 1 teaspoon, brandy or rum, flour and milk I will alternate. One 20 milliliters of milk, roughly half of amount goes in, rest of the flour, and rest of the milk. Switch it off. I've got over here raisins, sultanas, some cherries, candied orange and lemon. And roughly I've got 1 cup over here. I will see if it's not enough, I will add. I prepared tin. I lightly greased tin and line with baking paper. Distributing cake mixture evenly as you can. Cake goes in oven 180 degrees Celsius for 50 minutes, 50-55. Cake been in oven 50 minutes, nice and toasty. I will leave for 10 minutes to cool down in a tin. Cake has cooled down in a tin little bit. Now I can handle. There we go. Smells very good. Smells of brandy, smells of lemon zest. Now fruit cake must cool down completely. When it's cooled down completely, it will be more firm. Now it's too soft to cut. And when it's cooled down completely, I will cut. Cake has cooled down completely. I want to put ice and sugar on the top. I put a little bit of cinnamon in ice and sugar. Let's cut. Beautiful. Of course, better to eat on the second day. All flavors will combine together, but today also very nice. Nice and soft, beautiful. Thank you for watching.